Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick project share video. I made these adorable little mini purse flip books, and this is totally inspired by Bona. She just made this tutorial and I fell in love with it. I'm going to post the tutorial in the description bar. So make sure you go and check it out because trust me, you're going to want to make these. They are so adorable. So this is the first one I made, and I used the Echo Park bow, and this is how you open it. And these are Anna Griffin pocket dies. So I did that. So this is perfect to add goodies, to give to your pen pals, and it's like a little purse. I think it's just super, super cute. Then I made this one. And I just love the way it looks with the little beads and the Create a Time bow. I added some trim on the top. And this is Prima paper. And then when I open it, I haven't filled this one out yet. But as you can see, you put your goodies in here. And then what I did is, because I did this pearl, I covered up with some trim. So it looks like that. Super, super cute. And then I did this one. And this one I did a little different. This one I used the Target pockets. And if you put them right at the edge, it's like the perfect fit. So it's like you have to really put it at the edge because it hits each of the score line. So I did it where the pocket is facing up. So then I could put my goodies in there. And that's what it looks like. So then when you close it, it's like that. And then this one itself, I cut the flap a little shorter. And that was my mistake. But it still looks cute. You can hardly even notice that I made a mistake. Hopefully you don't hear my grandson in the background. But this is it. Just a quick project share. So you can also do it with the Target pockets if you don't have pocket dies. And I just thought they came out super, super cute. So don't forget to check out Bona's tutorial. And I talk to you guys later. Bye.